everybody. So I just learned a super cool exercise that will basically help you hinge your hips for the deadlift. It'll help you keep core stability and a general tightness in that torso. So it's called the bottle rock. So basically what this is you're going to put this bottle on your back. I have water in it, so it's going to make it a little bit harder, but you can do it without water. Get it to where it's a balance point, get in all fours, and just rotate your hips back. Come back up. If you are not properly hinging and keeping core stability, this bottle will rock off. If I round, and if I cave in, it'll just keep moving. Come on. And if I cave in, it'll kind of lock down and you'll notice that. Try it out.